Hello and welcome to the ERwin Mart upgrade to R9. In past releases, just the Mart schema was upgraded. In R9, you can also migrate users, profiles, and permissions. A new Mart upgrade utility automatically migrates your models and the other data for you. You can selectively migrate your models. You can do your upgrade in sections at a time. You can run the new utility multiple times. You can start work on the first upgraded model in your R9 Mart before the rest of the upgrade fully completes. You can pause the upgrade and start again later. The Mart upgrade utility is only available through the ERwin Data Modeler Workgroup Edition R9 installation. The Mart upgrade utility does not install with the Mart server. It installs with ERwin Data Modeler Workgroup Edition R9. You enable that option while installing the R9 ERwin Data Modeler Workgroup Edition, or else the Mart utility will not install on the workstation. Here are the prerequisites for upgrading your Mart. The source Mart must be R80 or later. You need to remove any locks on your R8 models. A minimum of 2 GB of space is needed on the drive where the working directory is located. A R9 Mart must pre-exist. For instructions on setting up the Mart server and initializing an R9 Mart, please see the ERwin Data Modeler Workgroup Edition Implementation Guide, Installing and Configuring Mart. The prerequisites for the computer on which you run the upgrade process: the operating system is 32-bit. The database client software for the source Mart database must be installed. A licensed copy of ERwin Data Modeler Workgroup Edition R8 needs to be present. If you are using ERwin Data Modeler Release 8.1 or earlier, please copy the license file as given in the instructions below. For Windows XP and Windows 2003, for Windows 7 and Windows 2008. Please note that version 8.0 used the subfolder 8.0. You need 2 databases to do your upgrade. The upgrade works with 2 different databases: the old Mart database, the R8, and the new Mart database, the R9. It basically converts and moves the models and other data from the old database to the new database. Both databases can reside on the same server machine or on 2 different server machines. The process: for a standalone model, the upgrade from R7 or R8 to R9 is direct. You simply open the ERwin file and upgrade it within R9 ERwin. For the Mart upgrade, the R7 or R8 to R9 Mart upgrade is a 2-step process. First, if you have an R7 Mart, first upgrade your R7 Mart to R8. You should back up a copy of the R7 Mart if you are concerned. Second, upgrade the R8 Mart to R9. The Mart upgrade utility will upgrade any unopened R7 models in an R8 Mart to the R9 Mart automatically. How to move an R8, an earlier database, from one database or server to another. It is no longer necessary to back up or move your R8 Mart data to a new database or different server. Why? The Mart upgrade utility process is read-only. However, should you still wish to do that, please see the following documents. We will now run through upgrading an older R8 Mart to an R9 Mart on SQL Server. Here we have our older R82 Mart. We have the library, We have the 8.2 eMovies model in there, and we see some versions as we are showing the version manager. We then start the MartUpgrade utility. We go to Start, Programs, CA, ERwin Data Modeler R9, and we select the MartUpgrade shortcut. We select the working directory. The MartUpgrade utility comes up. Therein we select the working directory path. We then enter the source Mart details and we test the connection. Our connection was successful. We enter the destination Mart details and we test our connection. The port number by default is 18170. You must specify the machine name in the server name field. Using a dot will not work. Our test connection was successful. We then choose the data that we want to upgrade. For more details, please see the CA ERwin Data Modeler Workgroup Edition Administration Guide, Administer Mart, Upgrading the Mart. We then select our upgrade options. We then select the libraries and the models that we want to upgrade. We can get very specific here about the data that we want to upgrade. We press Finish to start the migration. Please note that the Mart upgrade process can be time-consuming. First, the users are upgraded. Next, the security profiles are upgraded. The Mart level permissions are upgraded. Now the model upgrade process begins. Please note that you can pause and restart this at any time. We press the Details button to find out more about where we are in the process to get the current status. As we can see, the upgrade has completed for the users in the profiles. It's now working on the RA2 eMovies model, and version 4 is currently processing. The model upgrade process completes. The details for the completed process shows that everything has completed. We press Close to complete our upgrade process. We now connect to our R9 Mart to see our result. We run ERwin R9. We go to File, Mart, Connection, and press Connect. We type in the connection details and we connect to the Mart. We go into the R9 Catalog Manager and we see that shows that the R8 library, its models and versions have been converted into the R9 Mart. For more information, please see the CA ERwin Data Modeler Workgroup Edition Administration Guide, Chapter 2, Administer Mart, Upgrading Mart. Further, we have many knowledge base articles on the CA Technologies Data Management Knowledge Base. Thank you.